Have you ever struggled to open a jar, hold tools, or even button up a shirt? Losing strength in your hands can be frustrating, and it affects not only your daily tasks, but also your confidence and independence. CuraBall was developed precisely to solve this problem. It's inspired by technology used by NASA to keep astronauts strong in space. With its advanced gyroscopic system, CuraBall automatically adjusts the resistance to match your strength, providing personalized training that evolves with you. It's simple to use, requires no batteries or chargers, and just 5 minutes a day is enough to start noticing results. Plus, it comes with an LCD display that shows your progress in real time, giving you extra motivation to keep going. Another important point is that CuraBall is portable and can be used anywhere, at home, while reading a book, watching TV, or even on the go. It's practical, affordable, and helps you maintain your independence without spending a fortune on assisted care services. More than 2,000 people have already tested and approved CuraBall, many reporting improvements within the very first week of use. It can also be used by seniors with arthritis, since the resistance is smooth and adaptive, without causing excessive strain. And if you're still unsure, remember that CuraBall comes with a 30-day guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free, and if you're not satisfied, you can return it. If you feel like you're losing strength in your hands and want to keep living independently, CuraBall can be the perfect partner on this journey. Take advantage while stock is still available and secure yours today. The official link is in the description of this video.